Man, that's just catchy. So, there's a problem with your 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. Go figure. There isn't really a way to have both the functionality of a rear recovery point and a rear bed step. Until now, introducing the 6-element rear bed step relocation bracket. This bracket is designed specifically for the 4th gen Tacoma, and it solves that exact problem. It allows you to run both rear recovery points and the OEM rear bed step. From here, most trucks are going to fall into one of two categories. One, either your Tacoma already has rear recovery points installed, like the ones that come on the Trail Hunter, or it only has the factory bed step installed. In both cases, the next steps are the same. On the truck, you'll need to remove whatever is currently mounted, so everything can be assembled correctly. If your factory rear bed step is already installed, you'll need to remove it. If you have rear recovery points, then those will need to be removed. Now, let's talk through how this works and how to install it. There are 3 bolts holding it on, all 14 millimeters. Using a 14 millimeter socket, remove the factory mounting bracket from the factory rear bed step. These came installed with ours that we ordered from the dealer. Once the factory bracket is removed, set it aside, but hang on to those 14 millimeter bolts. Now, take the 6-element bed step relocation bracket and attach it to the bed step using those same 3 bolts. There's no torque specs here, just tighten these bolts really well. I'm going to start this install by telling you what not to do. Now, pay attention right here. See this? This is wrong. I didn't know it yet. I didn't look at the instructions, and therefore I'm showing you what is incorrect. Do not try to bolt the bed step and the recovery point together first, and then install the entire assembly into the truck. The method is wrong. It does not work. It makes the install unnecessarily difficult. Instead, once you remove the rear recovery point bolts from the frame, flip the bolts around and install them from the inside of the frame outward. With these bolts installed from the inside out, reinstall your recovery points. Once the recovery points are mounted, slide on the bed step with the relocation bracket already attached onto those bolts. Everything will line up cleanly without any interference. This process works with both 6-element rear recovery points and the ARB recovery points, such ones found on the Trail Hunter. Once everything is in position, install the washers and lock nuts. These fasteners use a 24 millimeter wrench or 15/16 wrench if that's what you have available. As you tighten everything down, make sure the recovery point is fully seated and flush against the bottom of the frame. Once torqued to 120 foot-pounds, the installation is complete. Once the bed step relocation bracket is installed, the factory rear bed step functions exactly as intended. You now not only have full use of your rear recovery points, but also the rear factory bed step. If you have any questions about this product or anything else 6-element related, reach out to us at csr@6element.com. And be sure to check out our website for additional products for Tacoma, 4Runner, Land Cruiser, Tundra, and Sequoia platforms. He's actually going to do it.
it.